The Amazfit T-Rex series has gained immense popularity among fitness enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers due to its robust design and exceptional durability. The original T-Rex model garnered a significant following, and its successor, the Amazfit T-Rex 2, continues to impress users with its impressive features. However, now there is an upgraded version, the T-Rex Ultra. The Amazfit T-Rex Ultra is the latest addition to the T-Rex lineup, and it promises to take ruggedness and durability to the next level. With its enhanced features and improved performance, this model is expected to meet the demands of even the most hardcore fitness enthusiasts and adventurers. In this video, we're going to compare the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra with T-Rex 2 to see how these two smartwatches stack up against each other.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
While the new Amazfit T-Rex Ultra and its predecessor share almost the same dimensions, there is a notable difference in weight. Weighing at 89 grams, the T-Rex Ultra is 22 grams heavier than its predecessor. This is due to the incorporation of a stainless steel bezel and a back panel, in addition to the high-strength polymer case that's already present in the original T-Rex. The combination of these materials gives the T-Rex Ultra a more sophisticated and premium look, elevating it above the rugged appearance of the original T-Rex. Despite the added weight, the T-Rex Ultra remains a comfortable fit, and the combination of materials makes it a well-rounded and durable smartwatch option that looks and feels great on the wrist. Apart from the addition of a stainless steel bezel and back panel, there are no significant design changes in the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra compared to its predecessor. However, this is not necessarily a bad thing, as the original T-Rex already had an excellent rugged design that impressed many. The T-Rex Ultra still comes with 15 military standard certifications, including 10 ADM water resistance, which makes it suitable for swimming, snorkeling, and other water activities. Furthermore, it features a patented mud-resistant bridge and buttons, adding an extra layer of protection against harsh outdoor conditions. The display in the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra is the same as its predecessor. Both smartwatches feature a 1.39-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 454 by 454, delivering clear and sharp visuals. The display has a maximum brightness of 1000 nits, which ensures visibility even in bright outdoor conditions. Although the Amazfit T-Rex 2 and T-Rex Ultra have similar functionalities, there are notable differences that could affect your choice. Both watches have extensive fitness tracking capabilities such as satellite tracking, heart rate monitoring, and multiple sports modes. They also have various smartwatch features including notification alerts, music control, and information on sunrise and sunset times, moon phases, tide warnings, and storm alerts. The T-Rex 2 device is designed to cater to individuals with irregular heart rates, whether high or low, as well as those with low blood oxygen levels and high levels of stress. This updated version, the T-Rex Ultra, is equipped with features that remind users to engage in breathing exercises that can help alleviate stress, as well as prompts for altitude-related blood oxygen level tests. For an outdoor-oriented device, having a reliable satellite connection is crucial. The good news is that both watches excel in this aspect thanks to the dual-band 6 satellite positioning technology. This feature enables the watch to quickly locate satellites and accurately determine their position, ensuring that you always have reliable GPS tracking during your outdoor adventures. Furthermore, Amazfit T-Rex Ultra has released 2 new apps specifically designed for free diving enthusiasts. With these apps, you can take your Ultra device with you when diving up to a depth of 30 meters and monitor your diving depth. Additionally, the apps allow you to measure your heart rate and oxygen saturation levels while diving. The new watch is powered by the Zepp OS 2.0, while T-Rex 2 runs on an older software despite the fact that 2 editions were released less than a year apart. Zepp Health has clarified that the upgrade for T-Rex Ultra is not just a software update but a complete redesign. The T-Rex Ultra and T-Rex 2 have impressive battery life capabilities. In normal mode, the T-Rex Ultra can last up to 20 days, while the T-Rex 2 can last for up to 24 days. In battery saver mode, the T-Rex Ultra can run for 25 days and the T-Rex 2 can last an impressive 45 days. Finally, in GPS accuracy mode, the T-Rex Ultra can run for up to 28 hours, while the T-Rex 2 can run for up to 26 hours. Additionally, the T-Rex Ultra introduces a new Endurance GPS battery mode for those who enjoy long periods of time outdoors. As you can see, the T-Rex Ultra has less battery life than the T-Rex 2, which actually is not okay for the Ultra title. Regarding the price, the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra is available at $400 while the T-Rex 2 costs $200, so there are significant differences in the price point, but for that, you'll get a few more additional features compared to the Amazfit T-Rex 2. But that hardly seems worth it for paying $200 extra. In conclusion, the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra is a well-rounded smartwatch that combines ruggedness and sophistication, making it a great choice for outdoor enthusiasts who also value style. With impressive fitness tracking capabilities, reliable GPS connectivity, and long battery life, both smartwatches are reliable companions for outdoor adventures. However, with a higher price point compared to the T-Rex 2, it may not be the best option for those on a budget. Also, Amazfit did not bring any Ultra features that we have seen in the Apple Watch Ultra or Garmin watches. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.